Good with y'all, boy, man. It's your boys here back again with another video. And as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, we're gonna be, you know what I'm saying, taunting cars and see what they do. I'm gonna give y'all boys a little preview of the car right quick. And it sound like, hopefully y'all can hear me and don't hear the wind. It's a little dirty. Matter of fact, I don't know what that is on the side of my car, but I do need to clean it. All right, but yeah, man, we're gonna be taunting cars in traffic, basically revving up beside them to see what they would do. See if they'll race me or see if they'll just, you know what I'm saying, look at me stupid. We gonna see, man. We gonna see. First start off, we need to find out where the cars be at. So I know in this area, I hear cars a lot in this area and going. Who knows, we might not find that for an hour, we might not find that for a little minute, but we got into the sun go down. It's 3:23 right now, and we gonna go to the sun go down. So we gonna see how many how many people give me a reaction to me revving up near them, or me, you know what I'm saying, accelerating near them. So we about to go in the hot spot right now, or where they would normally be at. All right, I know cars be in this area too, so we're gonna go down here, see what's going on down here. I don't think regular cars will react to me revving up near them. We could try. We could give it a little try. Obviously, they wasn't gonna do anything because I wasn't taunting them for real.
We'll get them next time.
I always see Chargers in this area, Mustangs in this area, like where they at? They don't want to be out when I want to be out. You know what I'm saying? They want to be out when I'm not recording, and it always happens every time. So then it makes me look like I'm crazy because I'm always telling y'all that I see cars. There's a Charger right there, but he on the other side. I can't mess with him because he's back there. I should have had my other exhaust on so it'd be a lot louder so people, like, it kind of attract people. Make them want to rev up next to me and stuff like that. That happened a couple times, not on camera, where people, you know what I'm saying, try to race me at lights and try to taunt me and stuff because my car loud. It looks like a fail in this area right here.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
We obviously know ain't nothing out here but cotton, so it's dead out here. So we about to go back the other way. And in the process, I'm gonna give y'all pulls. You know what I'm saying? And downshift, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting better at downshifting without, you know what I'm saying, having the car shaking and jerking and we start shifting slow for y'all to be like, dang, he's snail shifting that thing. I was just playing with y'all. I was just playing. All right, let's slow it back down now. Let's see if we see something down here. We ain't found nothing yet. Mustang, red Mustang. I think I've seen that Mustang before. Yeah, I seen that Mustang before. I got another area we could try and see if we see something. We're gonna do downshifts a lot because we got to make people, you know what I'm saying? We got to grind their gears so they can do something to us, Not like that though. I can't see nothing over this turn. Right now, we at Mission Field right now. All right, so we coming up to a stoplight. They want to give y'all a downshift, but I do see cars in the area. So let's see what we can find. I see a lot of cars in the area. I see the Grand Reaper coming up too, but he don't got his radar on. That's the second police I seen today in this one video. It seemed like I had more success when my car was louder than now that my car is actually kind of quiet. We gotta get one person for this video, man. Just one car, at least one. Don't let me like end this video without having one person give me a reaction, you know what I'm saying? I see a Charger, but he's going on the interstate. I knew the Jeep was gonna stop. I just knew he wasn't going fast enough. Smelling food right now, but of course we're gonna smell food in the food district. Let's see here. Okay, Honda, just get right on in front of me, huh? You know what? This might be my time to get a reaction. Y'all. I see a Charger under the Challenger. Maybe this is my cue. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, y'all boys. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I can't catch him. That got to be a Hellcat. Hey, that got to be a cat, y'all boys. Oh my. That got to be a cat. I gotta catch up to him. I told y'all I was gonna get a reaction even though it wasn't intentional, but hey, he going way too fast. I can't catch up. Maybe this light gonna get me a chance though. Is it a cat? Or is that a scat? That's a cat. We about to see what he do. He going on the interstate. Hey, we got one reaction though. We got one. We found the Hellcat, but hey, I ain't gonna lie, I do not got that much horsepower to keep up with him. But anyways, man, I'ma count that as a W for today. So make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. It's your boy Hell out.
And I promise I am.